2006 Chevy HHR. I'm doing the brake light, the tail light, and the reverse light. This is a 2006 HHR. It's pretty easy for a brake light. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, and there's a panel right here. You got to open this panel. If you're at home, you made like a butter knife or like a plastic pry bar or whatever you got, you could open this. You want to open it this way and then pull it out so you don't break those tabs on the inside, those 3 tabs. Now you want to reach in here, and there's the reverse bulb, and then up here is the brake light, tail light. What you want to do is twist this. We're going to twist this to unlock it and then pull this out. Now you could get this connector off of here. Just lift this little tab up right here and then push this connector straight backwards, and then it'll release the socket, and then you could take this and get your bulb out. The bulb's right here. Alright. I believe it's a 3157. I'll link all new bulbs in the description and comments, so check for that. That's what it looks like. It's a dual filament, and also you can get these sockets. A lot of times these will get burnt. You look in there, it's all burnt and it smells weird. I will get new sockets in the description as well. They're on Amazon, so check for that. Sometimes you got to replace these as well. So you get your new bulb, you'll put it in here, and then once you have it in there, we're gonna bring it up in here. You're gonna rotate the socket until the tabs kind of fall into place, and it'll kind of fall forward, and then you'll twist it to the right towards the inside of the trunk to lock it in place. And then what I do is I put my connector on at this point, so then you're not twisting the wire harness a lot, and you know, you can break the wires. Make sure that's lined up perfectly. It could be kind of stubborn, be patient. Now same for the reverse bulb, same procedure. Twist it to the left, to the outside of the vehicle to unlock it. Pull it straight backwards. You can disconnect the connector from the socket. Like that. And then we'll get our bulb out. And here's the socket for this one as well. Links in the description. So just keep an eye out for that. You can get these on Amazon as well if they're burnt out, or if you're just having issues with your lights keep going out, like you put a new bulb in and then it's out again, you know, it cuts in and out, you just keep putting bulbs in. A lot of times that's the socket that's bad. So go ahead and put this in, twist it to the right to lock it into place. Just be patient, and once that's in, we're going to get our connector on. Same thing, just take your time, line it up. It could be a little like stubborn to get back in. Don't shove it in. Make sure you pull it back out and realign it, and then push it in like that, and it'll clip into place. And then test it out, and then you're good. We'll put the panel back on after you test it, of course. Put these 3 tabs in first, and then slide this over like that. And boom, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Guys, I wanted to say about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.